We've got this BMW in for repair. Before we start, we're going to get it pre-cleaned so it's all nice and clean and decontaminated for us when we begin work. Then we're going to scan it in, we're going to check the ECU for faults, report them to the office, and then we're going to crack on with the repair. Right, so now we've got the bumper off, we're going to check for some extra damage behind where the bumper was and where the damage was. Any extra damage will be noted and reported. What I did see though, I've just seen in it, that's a crash sensor connector and it's just dangling around. It should be located somewhere. But there was a fault on the scan about an impact sensor. So I know where my rogue crash sensor plug mounts, because this side it mounts to the bottom of the headlight. So that's telling me it mounts to the bottom of the other headlight. Okay, because we're fitting a brand new front bumper, we're going to blend the colour into the bonnet and the wings. This prevents any colour mismatch, which we deem unacceptable.